Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the parkour party and Heartopia latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So there is an event in Heartopia, Kid Add Hard Party event, and you have challenge right here. Join the parkour party and also the hide and seek party. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the parkour party. So you're just going to open up your watch and open the party, and you're going to select parkour party, and here you can throw a party or you can join your friend's party or the other player's party. Click on this menu, party basketball, and you can select one of the parkour parties. Or if you want to throw a party, just click on this menu, but you need to build the gameplay blueprint. And to build the gameplay blueprint, you can watch my previous video. And here I'm just going to show you how you can join the other player's party. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, we can click on confirm to join, just like this guys. Okay, and this is the personal goals. We need to finish the parkour party guys, and this is the start point. I'm going to join it. Oh, and it's done. It's so easy. Oh my god, thank you for this player who has made this easiest parkour party so I can complete my personal goal. Okay guys, and that's how you can join a parkour party in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.